everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent. Today we're going to draw this really cute Connor the Cow Squishmallow for Easter. Alright, let's get started. First we're going to start by forming the shape of the Squishmallow. We're going to start up here, and you know how it looks like an egg almost, okay? Take your time, go in sections if you need to. And curve your arm. Once you have the shape of the Squishmallow, everything else will come together. Okay. All right, pause the video if you need to. All right, great job. Let's keep going. We're gonna next draw her little ears. So they're about here, a little bit down, and they're gonna flick out. Like this, and back in. Okay? And then we'll do the top part of it. Another line. And then we're gonna draw one inner line here. And the other ear you can bring across over there, and you're going to draw the same. Flick up and in. And we'll draw this line again. And another little line in here. Okay, let's keep going. Now we're going to do his little horns, and they're just rounded points and back down. And then we'll do another one over here. Well done. Now I'm going to give him a spot. So it just goes down a little bit, in, and over just like that. Now let's start forming his face. So he has his little snout in the front. It's a nice big oval. And connect that line. Well done. Okay, and then just two sideways ovals for his nose. Well done, everyone. All right, let's keep going. We're going to do his eyes next. Like, give him a little bit of a highlight if you need to draw it in instead of if you don't have a highlight marker at home. And you can do this one as well. All right, how's everyone doing? I might make this eye a little bit bigger. You can always add to it if you need to. Now that looks a lot better. All right, let's put this Connor the Cow into an egg. And do some zigzags back and forth. Okay, then I'm going to draw another line. Done. And you can do whatever you want, some stripes, some dots, whatever. I'm going to do a few spots up here. And then he has another stripe here. I'm going to turn it because I want to curve it a bit. If you do it straight, it'll look flat, but if you curve it, it'll look more three-dimensional like a Squishmallow is. Okay. And lastly, I think I'm just going to do a little design down here. All right, that's our Connor the cow drawn. Let's color him in. I'll show you step by step on the screen above what colors I'll be using, but anything you have at home to color with will do. All right, let's get coloring. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tiny Talent and drawing this really sweet Connor the cow in an Easter egg Squishmallow. See you next time. Bye!